Hello everyone, my name is Thor and welcome back to Anthropology. In today's video we have a mix of a pack with me plus a short travel vlog to Calgary, Alberta. So if this is your first time seeing this channel, welcome. I hope you enjoy your stay. Most of the time I do handbag and luxury related content. However, recently I've been traveling some more, so I figured I would pack my Rimowa Cabin S and then also show you a little bit of Calgary for those that are unfamiliar with the area. So if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I really hope you enjoy this vlog as well. I also just want to apologize for some of the filming in the beginning of this video. I didn't realize that I was filming on slow motion, which was a shock to me when it came to editing. So that's why it's a bit grainy. That's why it's a bit, I guess there's no audio in it. But here I'm just basically showing what I'm bringing with me. I was only going for 3 days. I was going from a Friday and then coming back on a Monday. So more or less a long weekend type trip. Calgary is fairly close to Vancouver. It's only like an hour and like 15-minute flight over the Rockies, so it's not too bad, but the climate is drastically different. Vancouver is very warm, it's very temperate, I would say. It is mild, whereas Calgary is cold. Calgary is very cold. It is winter conditions, which you will soon see. But here I'm basically just deciding what to pack with me, what to bring with me. I thought it would be a lot warmer than it actually turned out to being. So I have a lot of shorts, which honestly I didn't end up using. I have my Lululemon jacket, which you can see lying on the bed, sweatpants. I have a gift from my dad who I'm visiting in Calgary. And then I'm just placing some underwear, which, you know, nobody needs to see any close-ups on. This is not an OnlyFans. This is a YouTube channel. What I unfortunately forgot to pack, however, was winter-related clothing, such as a jacket, such as, you know, boots or anything like that. I really came unprepared, and here is links just helping me pack, watching over my luggage. As you can see, it is in slow motion still, but I kind of love it. I kind of live. Look how pretty she is. Oh, my baby. Right, and because it's supposed to be cold, I'm going to bring this fleece as well. That should be everything now. So here's a bit of a bird's eye view of what I ended up bringing with me. I basically wore the same thing every day. I'm not sure if other people are like that when they travel, but I wore like the same 3 outfits like over and over again. I was planning on bringing my Marc Jacobs the tote bag. However, I ultimately ended up going with my Bajiri bum bag instead because I just wanted something a bit more hands-free and something a bit more, I guess, Calgary appropriate. Calgary's more of a conservative town, I would say, especially compared to Vancouver. So I didn't want to be too, I guess, not flashy, but I didn't really want to draw any attention to myself. I just wanted to like show up and do what I did. But yeah, here's me packing the tote bag, even though I swiftly unpacked it right away. But yeah. Also, this was the book that I ended up getting, The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck, a counterintuitive approach to living a good life. This one has been recommended to me by a lot of people, but I just never got around to it until now, so I'll let you know what I think. So that was my very short trip to Calgary. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I know there wasn't that much talking in it, but since I was with my dad and I hadn't seen him in a while, I didn't really feel like filming all that much. But thank you all for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to see you all next time. Bye, guys.